What's up, YouTube? Isaac Trade here with a little update on some cryptocurrency. Let's talk about Ethereum, Dogecoin, give you some price targets, and when I am expecting them to hit that. Before we get into this video, why don't you do yourself and me a favor and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, smash that like button, and please share this to somebody who you think might be interested in investing in Dogecoin or Ethereum. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor any which way. This is not financial advice to buy or sell any asset. Before you buy or sell any asset, please consult with a professional. If not, don't be lazy. Look at some charts, read some articles, listen to some random guy on YouTube or chick. Now, let's get into the video, baby. Okay, let's talk about Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin has shot higher this week, adding a staggering 25% to its already huge recent gains. The Ethereum price, now within touching distance of 3,000 per Ether, has been boosted by the Europe Investment Bank Butte digital bond sales issued on the Ethereum blockchain and praises from Wall Street giant and Bitcoin. What? Oh yeah, talking about J.P. Morgan. I remember they were talking about that. Well, I actually have J.P. Morgan Chase. I bank with them, and I actually also have a small amount of funds that I invest with the Chase app. It's pretty easy. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. I mean, you just click it, and it's the same as using Robinhood. I mean, it's right there on the app. It's easy. You don't even got to do nothing really hard. However, even as an Ethereum investors and developers celebrate the soaring. Wait, am I recording? Oh yeah, we are. Price, the joke cryptocurrency Dogecoin is rocketing further and faster, adding almost 50% to its price over the last week. Yeah, okay. Because I was actually if you see my last video, I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago. Excuse me. When we had that last run up, well, I put in like I think 10 grand or no, I think I did like 5 grand. But I actually I'm still holding on to that one. It was just gonna be a quick swing trade, but I'm actually just hanging on to it and to see how it rolls. It's been doing pretty good so far. So let's actually talk about Dogecoin. Okay, it's based on the Shiba Inu dog meme, a favorite of Tesla billionaire Elon Musk. Yeah, we could thank Elon for that. That's why I'm like, man, Dogecoin is going to be the one that's going to win it because, I mean, we got Elon over here. I mean, if you're going to, man, you see how many times the shorts, how much they lost trying to bet against the dude? So, I mean, that tells you everything right there. Don't bet against Elon. I mean, don't go against him. The man knows what he's doing. I mean, look at what he did in the last 12 months. He went from being only like his value was based only on the man's credit score. Now he's the second richest man in the world. It's like he did that in 12 months. So I mean, just it's like, what need I say anymore? I mean, come on, what the hell? This dude's lands rockets like it's nothing. Okay, so the leak reveals millions of PayPal and Robinhood Bitcoin buyers may soon want to make a surprising switch. Ain't Bitcoin price mania? See, look, they're talking about people switching. I had an assumption that they were already selling out from it because, I mean, look, you got Bitcoin at $60,000. You know how much you could sell one Bitcoin? You could have invested it in Dogecoin over 2 weeks ago, and man, you would have blew that bank account up. You had a big millionaire already. The Dogfather, yeah, Elon Musk and billionaire investor Mark Cuban helped Dogecoin leave Bitcoin and Ethereum in the dust with 20% price rally. I mean, come on, we got these two guys that are just, I mean, why asking? Like, should I invest in it? I mean, we got these two guys right here saying to do it. So, I mean, who the hell am I to sit there and be like, well, yeah, it's a good investment. I'm basing my shit off of what those guys are saying over there. Excuse my language now. Okay. This is wild. Okay. Where was that? Okay, after a 4.2 billion earthquake sends Bitcoin sharply higher, investors brace for May crypto price volatility because May is wild, man. You ever heard the expression "sell in May, go away"? Well, no one's talking about it. Okay, but I mean, usually they sell on the other assets and then they go somewhere else. That's usually what that means. They mean they don't go away. Not what I've experienced in the past 3 years of trading. It used to mean people just went on a vacation, but now we're like, we ain't got time to vacate, baby. We need to make our billions. Forget millions. Okay, the Dogecoin price has so far held its ground, defying critics who have warned its price is likely to come crashing down as quickly as it has risen, and cryptocurrency traders hoping Dogecoin will hit $1 up from around 38 cents continue to pile in, which, I mean, we've been sitting here at this range for 38 cents. I mean, well, no, actually last week we dropped down to like 20, no, actually it was 14 cents. I think it was nice. And then but we pulled back up. I mean, that's all you need to look at. It is a very volatile asset. It is going to see drops and climbs anywhere from 50%. I mean, you can expect to see that because we've already seen it. Elon Musk, a longtime supporter of Dogecoin, who was voted into CEO in the 2019 Twitter poll, has helped buoy the Dogecoin price. Okay, regularly tweeting Dogecoin memes and jokes. Most recently, queuing up his hostly anticipated appearance in Saturday Night Live next week by posting the Dogfather. Yeah, the Dogefather, baby. I can't wait for that day to come. You know, man, $1 is coming. The 420, that was just the day when we were getting ready. Like, we were getting hyped up. I mean, a lot of people thought we were going to, I feel sorry for you guys that were like, oh, what happened? Well, you don't understand the way it works. We weren't expecting it to pop that day. We just wanted to see the hype. And we seen how much hype came on 420. Man, we're like, oh yeah, when the 8th comes, $1, here we come, baby. Okay, so Dogecoin has shot into cryptocurrency top 10 in recent months and looks set to break back into the top 5 with its total market value currency just under 50 billion. Let me see, where are we sitting at right now? I think we already are back at the top 5. 1 second, let me see. Let's go over here and see what we got. Where's my crypto? Let's see. Actually, let me just bring my phone up real quick. You know, that's why these apps nowadays, it's like, bam, right there. I use the computer because I have to, but I mean, my phone has everything right there where I need it. What I like using is, I use stocks tracker, real-time stocks tracker. It's like, I think it's pretty, I think it's nice. That's all you need to know. I think it's real nice. Because a lot of these other ones, they give you data that just, it's delayed. I mean, but with this one right here, if you pay the extra money for it, you'll like it. Trust me. Oh, nice. That's the one I use just to see where it's sitting at. And then we're going to come right over here. Yeah, she is currently number 5 right now. That's good. All right, where were we? Okay, so that's how Dogecoin has shot up to cryptocurrency's top 10 in recent months and looks set to break back into the top 5. Ethereum, in many ways, the cryptocurrency, the Dogecoin, is meanwhile up more than threefold from the beginning of the year as it emerges as the backbone of crypto native economy. This week's the EIB, the European Union leading arm, used Ethereum to issue digital bonds worth over $100 million for the first time, leading to claims from cryptocurrency and blockchain advocates. The financial market is poised to adopt crypto technologies. I mean, it's coming. I mean, you see all these big banks that are already adopting it. We got PayPal that is allowing you to trade it. You can go on to what's that? The Cash App. You can go do. Oh my God, it's everywhere, bro. Okay, over time, I expect complete rewiring of centralized capital markets to leverage decentralized financial blockchain markets. Vice President of Strategic Alliance at digital assets infrastructure provider Americo said in email comments, the rallies for a new decentralized capital market are being built on Ethereum. I can see that. I mean, I'm highly invested in Ethereum. I was invested in that one before even Dogecoin. I just got Dogecoin because I'm like, yeah. And once I see Elon was on it, I'm like, I'm with that dude. Just, I want to go to, I'm trying to go to Mars too. So let's go, Elon. Bitcoin is more of a crypto commodity than currency and competes with gold as a store of value. Whereas Ethereum is the block backbone of the crypto native economy, wrote JP Morgan analyst led by Joshua Younger. I can see all that there. That's good. I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, I think it's something good to get. I mean, you know, you got the Fed talking about it. Can't forget Fed Powell was speaking about it. What did he say? I mean, that he thinks capital markets, as typified by the Dogecoin craze, are a bit frothy, and admitted that the central bank's easy money policy may have had something to do with it. Well, I mean, come on, you guys have been pumping money out into the system. What do you think was gonna happen? Like, it was gonna be all right? Damn naive fools. In a press conference that followed the Fed's two-day meeting, Powell was asked whether he believed there was a risk to financial stability, and trends such as the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, the Shiba Inu represented crypto, which was started as a joke, is up more than 6,000%. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Year to date. What does it matter if it started as a joke? I mean, man, joke's on you guys. Maybe it wasn't started as a joke. Has anybody said that? Has anybody thought about that part? Like, maybe it wasn't a joke. You know what I mean? Maybe we wanted you to think it was a joke when it came out. Like, we're like, yeah, it's a joke. Fool, go and believe it. I mean, because this is like a free joke to make mofos rich. You are seeing things in capital markets that are a bit frothy. Okay, now for those of you who aren't too familiar with the term frothy, what it means. Why is my... One second, let's pause this. All right, so for those of you who don't know what froth is, okay, froth refers to market conditions preceding an actual market bubble, where asset prices become detached from their underlying intrinsic value as demand for those assets drives their price to unsustainable levels. A frothy market is one where investors begin to ignore market fundamentals and bid up on assets prices beyond that the asset is objectively worthy. Froth in the market is often characterized by overconfident investors and is a sign that investor behavior and investment decisions are being driven by emotions. Key takeaways: froth refers to a market condition where an asset price begins to increase beyond its intrinsic value. Two examples of bursting bubbles include the dot-com burst of 2001 and the housing crash of 2007-2008. Man, you gotta stop. The housing crash was caused by crooked and manipulating and downright dirty motherfuckers, right? Hell. All right, back to a FedPal. Okay, so with FedPal set off frothy market. You're seeing things in the capital market that are a bit frothy. That's a fact, Powell said. I won't say it has nothing to do with the monetary policy, but also it has a tremendous amount to do with the vaccinating and reopening of the economy. Okay, Powell was upbeat about the prospects for a swifter economy recovery in the U.S., pointing towards very well capitalized large banks, a low funding risk, a financial institution. What has been moving the market a lot in the last few months is this turn away from what was a pretty dark winter to now a pretty faster vaccinating process and faster reopening. He said, all right, I can roll with that, man. Fed Pal, man, I like that guy, man. He ain't like any other federal speaker we ever had before. Never. I mean, who do we have? What was that? Janet Yellen? That mother. You know what I mean? She's still getting paid for what she did. Well, yeah, that's about it, man. I mean, if you guys want to get Dogecoin, I mean, you guys better jump in now before I mean, the rocket ship's loading up. You know what I mean? We got the hydrogens being loaded. We got tanks are full. What about that? You know what I mean? But I'm expecting Dogecoin to start skyrocketing in the next few weeks to 40. I mean, up to 80 cents. Yeah, I believe that 80 cents to $1 is coming very, very, very soon. So I suggest you do some research and start looking into some Dogecoin or Ethereum. I definitely ain't gonna be getting no Bitcoin. I sold my two Bitcoins I had about a month ago, and most of it I put into Doge and Ethereum, and I'm happy I did it. I haven't turned back. So don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share my video to somebody. You know what I mean? I'm out, baby.